Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Honda Goldwing. This is the 1800cc Luxury Touring Edition, and this one's equipped with navigation, AM/FM stereo, ABS braking system, reverse gear, heated grips, heated seat, beautiful satin white finish. This bike is in fantastic, well-maintained condition. It was owned by a fighter pilot, and he had the thing maintained meticulously at the wing nut, which is up there in Vacaville area. All you Goldwing riders know that he knows everything there is to know about Goldwings. We have full service records. This is the cleanest 06 Goldwing you're gonna find. Fantastic condition, ready to go for just $89.99. This bike is almost $3,000 under book value because it has 107,000 miles, but it runs and purrs like a kitten. Come by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Make your Goldwing dreams come true at Contra Costa Powersports. Thank you.